Briefly just explain to me, like, describe what your business is and what you guys actually do. Just a little quick overview.
Business is BioPreventative. We're a full-scale telehealth company here based out of Miami, Florida, servicing all 50 states.
Perfect. And can you just share with me sort of where you guys were at before working with us in terms of like maybe revenue and growth, like where you guys were at?
We were growing. We were on a growth phase. We're still in a growth phase, but we wanted to bring on some guys that were experienced with email. I tried some things myself, got some remedial results, and Ryan, my business partner, ended up finding these guys. At first, I was hesitant because the price point initially was like, whoa, but you know what? We jumped in and invested it. We've made 15x what we've invested. Super happy about that. These guys, they're the real deal, and they continue to roll out stuff. I'm very, 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 very happy with these guys, man. They really impressed me with their service. Just, hope that it continues. I hope that it continues. It's been 2 months now working with these guys, and they've been putting on every single time, and they really have been, coming to the bat every single time. So these guys are the real deal. These guys are definitely the real deal if you're looking for some email guys and SMS guys, for sure.
No, I appreciate that, man. I was literally about to ask you what the results like after working with us, but bro, you pretty much just smashed that on the head. I think my last thing I would say as well, if you're going to say to anyone who would look to work with an email agency like us, what would you say to someone looking to get started?
I would honestly say don't be cheap and invest, because, my mindset around a lot of this stuff when it comes to investing in other people and other services, like a few years ago, I didn't want to invest. The only thing I would say is just invest into growth, invest into growth and invest into guys that are good at what they do and trust in them to do what they're going to do. And then your business is going to grow exponentially.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate that, Jeff. Obviously, that's just the start, man. And like I said, I think 6 to 12 months down the line, we're going to be absolutely flying, bro. I'll tell you that now.